Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a cheerful boy around 10 to 12 years old who stayed happily with his loving parents. One sunny day, after many years, the boy got the chance to visit his grandfather's village. Excited and full of joy, he looked forward to spending time with his wise and kind grandfather. Every day, they played, laughed, and shared stories, creating memories filled with love and wisdom. One afternoon, while they were playing under a tree, the boy looked up and asked, "Grandpa, when I grow up, I want to be very successful. Can you tell me how to achieve success?" His grandfather smiled warmly, gently patted his head, and replied, "Yes, I can." The next day, his grandfather took him to a small plant shop. They bought 2 tiny green plants and brought them home. One plant was placed in a big pot inside the house, safe from sunlight, rain, and wind. The other was planted outside under the open sky, exposed to all the natural elements. Then, his grandfather asked, "Which plant do you think will grow better?" The boy thought for a moment and answered, "The one inside, Grandpa. It's safe from everything. The plant outside might not survive all the harsh weather." His grandfather simply smiled and said, "Let's wait and see." Years passed, and the boy returned to his grandfather's village. As soon as he arrived, he rushed to his grandfather and said, "Grandpa, last time I asked you how to be successful, and you never really told me. Now you have to." The old man chuckled and said, "Of course. But first, let's see our plants." They went inside the house to see the indoor plant. It had grown into a healthy little plant, neat and green. Then they walked outside to check the other one. The boy stood in awe. The plant outside had grown into a massive, strong tree with thick branches and a wide canopy of shade. His grandfather turned to him and asked, "Which one is stronger and more successful?" The boy replied, "The one outside, Grandpa." "But how?" "It faced so many problems, the sun, the rain, the storms, and yet it grew so big." His grandfather smiled and said, "That's the secret, my child. The plant outside faced difficulties, and those challenges made it stronger. The storms forced its roots to grow deeper, the sun made it tougher, and the rains helped it stretch further. Now it's unshakable." Success in life is just like that. Staying comfortable will never help you grow big. But facing challenges, learning from them, and moving forward with courage, that's how you become truly successful. The boy looked at the towering tree, took a deep breath, and nodded with understanding. His grandfather's lesson stayed with him forever, reminding him that strength and success are built not in comfort, but through struggle and perseverance. Moral of the story: success does not come from avoiding problems or staying in comfort. True growth happens when we face challenges, learn from them, and rise stronger each time. Like the tree that grew through storms, we too must embrace life's hardships. They're not obstacles, but the very things that make us stronger.